Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fill a color in any object, text or image. So now with that being said, let's open a new preset or a picture that you want. For example, for me I'm gonna choose a picture from my library, and we click for example this one, and here it is. So for example, let's say we want to fill this sword with another color. For example, you didn't like this color and you want to make it something else. All you gotta do is click on this picture first twice to remove the lock, and now we have to select the sword. So for me, I'm gonna use the quick selection tool. I've already made a lot of tutorials about the selection tool and pen tool and the quick hand, the magic hand. If you want to really learn about these tools, please check our videos just down below. So now let's select this sword by clicking on it like that, and now we'll remove the extra edges that we don't need. For me, I just want to select the upper part of the sword. I don't want to touch this gray side of the sword. And now we add a new layer, and for example, we click on this pen bucket tool, and then we choose for example any color. Let's pick orange, and we click on fill. At the beginning it will look kind of ugly, so to make it look better you can just click on overlay, and now it looks so much more better. You can also reduce its opacity and it will really fit good in the picture. So now for example, you have a text. Let's say that you have a text and you want to fill it. Let's say for example hi too, and somehow you got lazy and you didn't really have this option in here or something like that. It's not working for you, so you can't really change the color of the text. What can you do in this case? It's pretty simple. Just click on control and then click on this T in here. Don't click on the layer, just click on control and this T icon, then it will be selected. All you can do is click on fill again, and then choose whatever color you want and add a new layer again and fill. As you can see, now the text has been colored. Just to make sure that if you moved this coloring, you can still you don't have this yellow typing left behind. What you can do is exactly click on these two layers, select them both by clicking on shift and on control, and then click right and click on merge layers like that. Now if you move it, it won't be showed. So that was the tutorial for today guys. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, and thanks for watching.